So for this example, we're finding the equation of a line. Anytime the question says find the equation of the line, you need to put it in the form y equals mx plus b. We need to memorize that. So for the first example, we're going to find the equation from a graph. This is example 1, okay? So looking at a graph, this is the easiest one to do. To find an equation of a line in the form y equals mx plus b, what are the two pieces of information you need to determine, to write the equation of the line? Which variables do we have to replace? We have to know what? We have to know slope, good. We need to know m, and we need to know b. We need to know the y-intercept. Every single question we're doing today, you need to know slope, and you need to know y-intercept, and then you can write the equation. We leave y equals whatever the slope is, followed by x plus the y-intercept. Does everyone understand? So do it right now. Tell me what is m, just looking at the graph, and what is b. Before you even start, let's review. A line that rises to the right has a positive or negative slope? Positive. A line that looks like this has a positive or negative slope. So we know that question A, your slope's going to be positive, and we already know in question B, your slope's going to be negative, right? Okay, so pick any 2 points and count the rise over the run. I'm going to pick this point and this point. What's the rise from this point to this point? What does it rise by? 1. And what does it run by? So it's 1 over 4. What's the y-intercept? Where does the line hit the y-axis? Good. 2. Positive 2. That's it. What's the equation of the line? Remember, to write an equation, we have to start with y equals, good. 1 over 4. Excellent. M is always followed by x, good. Plus 2. Perfect. Excellent. Doesn't matter which points you pick. I'll pick, you know what? I'm going to pick this point here and this point. And draw your slope triangle. Then you can count the rise and you can count the run. And we already discussed, we know that the slope of this line is going to be negative because it's falling to the right. So the slope is negative what? 2. What's the rise? 1, 2. Over, what's the run? 1. Simplify it, m equals negative 2. Okay, we know that the line hits the y-axis here. That is at positive 5. This is the easy part. This is the hard part. Once you know the slope and the intercept, what's the equation of the line? Gabriella, y equals? Negative 2x plus 5. That's it.